Chapter 6: Common Stumbling Blocks to Stretch Training and Dangers to be Aware of. There are a number of stumbling blocks that can keep people from stretch training, as well as a few dangers that you need to be aware of before you begin. First, we're going to look at some of the things that may be keeping you from doing stretch training and show you some simple ways to overcome them. Lack of time. Many people feel that they simply don't have time to do stretch workouts because it does take a while to make sure all of your muscles have been properly stretched. However, if you take a closer look at your schedule, you may find some huge chunks of time while watching TV. Combine this time with your stretch training and you won't get bored doing the stretching, and you can use your TV time wisely. Movement is painful. It can be hard to want to stretch your muscles and move your joints when they hurt. So keep in mind that what you are doing will help eliminate this pain over time. You can also modify most stretches so that they are not painful but are still effective. When you're first starting, be sure not to overdo it. Take things slow and move forward at your own pace. Lack of energy. We totally understand that your aging body doesn't have as much energy as it used to, but don't let that stop you from doing what's best for your body. Stretch training is easy on your body and can actually make you feel more energized, as it improves blood circulation, which can help you feel more alert and awake. Now, let's look at some of the dangers of stretch training that you need to be aware of. Not warming up. Imagine your muscles like rubber bands. If you try to stretch them when they're cold, they're likely to tear or even snap in two. But if you warm them up first, then they're going to be able to stretch farther and won't break. In the same way, if you jump right into passive or isotonic stretches without warming your muscle-ups first, you could easily damage your muscles. Improper stretches. If you move your limb the wrong way during stretch training, you can put too much strain on the joint or the muscle, which can lead to an injury. This is why it's best for someone who has never regularly done stretching training to find a trainer or teacher that can help them learn the correct way to stretch in order to avoid this risk. Falling. This is a common concern with the aging body, as falls are more dangerous and more likely as your balance can become impaired with age. Although this is a legitimate danger during stretch training, as some stretches do require balance, there are plenty of things that you can do to minimize the risk, such as using a wall or a sturdy chair for support, or working with a strong partner that can help you.